Hi, I'm Ryan from Michigan Screen and Window, and today we're looking at the Andersen 100 series entry-level single-hung window. We're going to talk about some things we like, some things we don't like, and the best use cases for this window to see if it's right for your home. Okay, so we're here with this Andersen 100 series. This is a single-hung window, black inside, black outside with black hardware. So this is the new trendy, like all black that everyone's going with. Single hung, what does that mean? That means the top sash is fixed and it does not go up and down, but the lower sash here goes up and down. So you open the window, get airflow through, screen just on the bottom here, bring it back down and it locks just like that. Let's talk about some things I like about this window. This window is made from Fibrax. You've probably heard that before. Fibrax is Andersen's composite material. It's Andersen's proprietary composite material. It's also featured on some other windows. Andersen has a few other windows in the line that feature some Fibrax, and the Renewal by Andersen window, which you've probably got mailers for to your home, that is also made from Fibrax. This window is made from Fibrax too. It is a good product. It is super low maintenance. It comes in a few different colors. I think we got black, white, sand tone, terratone, and dark bronze. So you got a few different color options, but the main feature of it is it's low maintenance. So and it holds up over time. It's not going to fade or peel or crack. So you can feel confident in the product. Another thing I like about this window is the low E packages you can get on it. The 100 series is positioned as an entry-level window, but the nice thing is the glass packages you use on an entry-level window and a really expensive Andersen window are almost the same. So you can get the low E Smart Sun that has a ton of benefits, a ton of reasons why you would like that glass. You can get it in the 100 series window. So you're paying for an entry-level window, but you're getting higher-end glass as a result. So that's pretty neat in terms of making your budget go much further. That's one thing I like about the window here. Another thing I like about this window is that it is an Andersen window. So you're backed by the Andersen warranty. You're going to get 20 years on the frame, 10 years on the glass, and you're going to get a 2-year Andersen service warranty with any of these windows that are installed. The reason I like that warranty, there's a lot of window companies that throw lifetime warranty around. Andersen have been around forever. These windows have been tested. They have a whole R&D department up in Bayport, Minnesota, where they make these things. And you can just rely that this window's been tested over time. One last thing that I always like to show you and recommend on the Andersen series is the locks. That is one of the most significant upgrades you can do to this window. So when you come take a look at the locks we've got here. So here are the two different locks you can get on the Andersen 100 series single hung. The first one, this is made of plastic. This comes standard on it, and it typically matches the color of the window. Don't love this. It feels kind of cheap. And considering it's an Andersen product, it's not my favorite piece of hardware in the Andersen line. The nice thing is you can upgrade to this. They call it the slimline lock, and it's like $20 extra. And for me, it's a no-brainer with every 100 series window that we sell. It's made of metal, and it just feels so much more secure. It's a much better sliding motion. And if you're putting in an Andersen product, why not go for this small upgrade? That's one of the tips and tricks we always have for our customers that buy the 100 series from us. All right, a couple things I don't love about this window. If you are needing a bay window, a bow window, an extra large window, or something really unique and custom, this window probably isn't for you. The 100 series is limited in its really niche specific options. Also, it has no option for wood on the inside. So if wood is important to you, faux wood, real wood, or stained wood, this is just not going to be an option for your home. The biggest thing, though, that I don't love about it is the biggest complaint that we get, and that is how it operates, especially the single hung window. The other variants of the 100 series, be it the casement or the slider window, I think are a little nicer than the one we're about to look at. The single hung does have its issues. So you're going to be able to hear it as I operate the window, but I'm going to take it out and kind of walk you through it as I go. And you'll notice that there's lots of noise and it's pretty cumbersome. And I deal with windows every day. So if I'm having a hard time doing this, then if you're a homeowner, you're probably also going to have a hard time. So to take the lower sash out to clean the outside of the glass, if you can't get to the outside, so if you were on the second level, what you're going to need to do is get a flathead screwdriver and undo these clips up here. And we're going to lift the window, and those clips are going to disengage the balances. And then the whole window sash is going to come out just like that. You can hear it's pretty noisy, it's pretty cumbersome. It's a difficult thing to do if you're wanting to wash the window or whatever, and then to get it back in, you're back up here, putting the window in, trying to get re-engage with the balances, and tucking those, putting those clips back in, and there you go. So it's not the easiest thing in the world, but I don't love it. So now you know what I do like and don't like about this window. Let's talk about the best use case for the Andersen 100 series. I think it is a great alternative to vinyl. So if you're shopping vinyl window products, Andersen actually calls this window a smarter alternative to vinyl. And I think that particularly if you're looking for a colored outside of the window like the black that's really trendy now, this will be at a great price point for you. And you can feel really good about the exterior, how it's going to hold up in the sun or the snow or the cold conditions. You can feel really good about the outside of this window. And if you're shopping vinyl, this isn't going to be that much more expensive, and you might just get the color options that you want with the window. Okay, so that's the Andersen 100 series. Some things we like, some things we don't like, and some tips and tricks and use cases. Appreciate you watching. Last thing, we got to rate this window out of 10. I'm going to give it a 7.4. Decent window, good alternative to vinyl. Could make sense in your home. Thanks for watching. Cheers.